Welcome home to Crow's Nest Apartments, providing newly renovated units available for immediate move-in and offering incredible specials for a home you'll come to adore. Crow's Nest Apartments offers a unique environment located just minutes away from Clear Lake, downtown Houston, and Galveston Island. Beautiful huge oak trees line Main Street, where historic homes have been converted into charming shops and eateries. Experience 4-star resorts, fantastic golf, shopping, boating, water sports, and year-round festivals and events. We are a pet-friendly community that also provides covered parking for your car or boat, lush walks and waterways, a sparkling pool and wood deck, and a newly renovated state-of-the-art fitness center. Our 1- and 2-bedroom floor plans include spacious closets, extra storage space, cozy wood-burning fireplaces, and full-size washer and dryer connections in every home. Newly renovated apartments come with new wood floors, carpet, designer cabinets, countertops, brushed nickel fixtures, and updated appliances. Crow's Nest Apartments are simply a superb way to live, located in the charming Clear Lake community. Stop by to visit us and get a tour of our unique floor plans, or give us a call today and ask about our move-in specials.